Test, test, test. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let me know how we sounding. So we got a couple of charts we're looking at. We're going to see how GJ reacts to this level here. If y'all watched the Sunday chart analysis last night, if you didn't, make sure to watch that. We're going to be looking to see how GJ reacts. We're going to be looking to see if we can break above and hold 203.90 as support, or we're going to see if price can retest 203.50 as support. We're going to be looking for buys from GU and GJ. Make sure like the lives, you'll hop up in here, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Those just joined the stream, we have not entered this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal from Telegram. Y'all see all your screens how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Got a new video dropping for y'all later on today. If y'all didn't catch up to the videos from last week, make sure to do that as well. All playlists are up to date. You already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. We're looking at each chart, drop in the chat. We got a new 5-minute just popped up. We're waiting to see how GJ and G react to these next levels right here. With G, we're going to look for a retest and see if we can maintain 31.65 as support, or if we can break above and hold 31.85 as support, we can look for buys going to 3,200. With GJ, we're looking to see if we can break above and hold 203.90 as support, or if we can retest 203.50. That's what we're looking at right now.
Ah, the sounds of an Etsy holiday.
Let's go ahead and skip this. We got a new 5 minute about to pop up in a second. And I can't skip this motherfucker. There we go. Got a new 15 about to pop up. About to see how this next 15 plays out. Again, we're looking for either a break and retest or a retest right now. We're not looking at gold or NAS because they're still retracing, so we'll just let them do their thing right now. Make sure to watch the Sunday chart analysis if you did not already. Like I always say, the Sunday chart analysis goes over not just what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but what we see price doing throughout the entire week. You checked out last week's Sunday chart analysis. Whoops. You see that turned out to be the same last week, the week before that, et cetera, et cetera. Let's see what this next 15 does.
used to lack confidence until I shopped for a used car with Carfax.
Just the patience game right now. We know what our game plan is. All we got to do is just wait for our confirmations. That's all we're waiting on right now. We're going to be looking for this retest right here. We're going to be seeing if we can maintain 3165 as supportive. So we're going to be looking for buys going to 3185. Let's see how price plays out right here. Still paying attention to GJ, but again, we're just waiting for a confirmation. Again, y'all, that's another example why we don't breakout trade. Imagine who would have FOMO'd and jumped to this buy here because we missed this push to the upside. We would have took a loss for no reason. All right, always wait for the retest. So that's what we're looking for right here. New 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. In COG, you can hold as low as support right here. Here's that top. New 5-minute just popped up. Let's see with the hold right here. Yeah, I'm liking how this is looking right here. Again, if we can maintain 3165 as support, we're going to looking for buys going to 3185. Then GJ, again, we're either looking for price to retest and see if we can maintain 20350 as support. If we can break about 23890 as support, we look for buys going to 20425. Gold and NAS, we're still looking for setups here on gold and NAS. Gold, if we can break below and hold 4074 as support, I'm not for as support, as resistance, excuse me. We hold 4074 as resistance. We can look for sales going to 4058. Again, if y'all did not watch the Sunday chart analysis, make sure to check it out so you understand like what's going on with the charts. A lot of the charts we're in reversal territory, and we're struggling to start or continue the trends. And GU is one of those as well. Yeah, that thing's rejecting hard. It was just holding that support. Let's see if we can maintain this low at support. Because if not, we're going to play Ring Around the Rosie like we did on Friday. If y'all was in Friday's live stream, y'all remember when GU broke this level, failed to hold in reverse, broke this level, failed to hold, and then literally played pinball all Friday, all Friday. So we need to hold this low as support for the uptrend to continue, or we need to hold this low as resistance for the downtrend to continue. I see how gold plays out right here as well. If y'all got any questions, drop in the chat. We're looking at your charts, drop in the chat. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well, y'all. You'll see you scrolling at the bottom of the screen. Instagram playmaker_way and TikTok _playmakerway_. Post daily on both pages. Got some new posts on there for y'all today. Also got a new video dropping for y'all on YouTube as well. Now the stock and crypto has retraced. I did drop some videos a couple of weeks ago for that, but I am going to have some updates dropping for y'all. If not this week, this weekend for sure. Just to give some updates on some more prices, because we did do a nice little retracement last week. Let's see what this next 15 looks like. So we got here, nice retest, pushing back up, like this right here. We got a nice retest right there. Everybody see we can hold that lower support. And let's see what GJ does. Again, we're either looking for GJ to retest this level or break up this lower support. We're looking for buys either way. We're approaching TP1 right here. GJ's going to break back, well, attempt to break back above that zone. All right, we just blew through TP1. Let me let the members know. Again, never FOMO. Price 8 times out of 10 is going to retrace. Even if it doesn't retrace, it's enter at the next level. That's all you got to do. Let's see if we can break past this next TP. Make sure to like the live and subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, y'all. We're almost at 4,200 subscribers. We can get to that easily. There we go. Level is internet levels. I mean, this the rain or the other day. So gold just hit this zone. So with gold, we're going to look to see if we can break below and hold 3076 as resistance. And so we can look for sales going down to 4058. I bet 4076, we can hold that as resistance. We're looking for sales going to 4058. Again, look how price reacts to this level. Again, look for the break and retest. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a little bit. Y'all got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop in the chat. We're about to see what this next 15 looks like. I'd like to see this break before the 15 closes, so we can just look for a retest. But let's see what price does. Popped up. So we're looking to see if we can hold this level as resistance right here. We hit TP1 on G. We are still holding this level as support. But like we talked about the Sunday chart analysis as well as the beginning of this live stream, we just need some volume to either continue or start new trends with these charts right here. We can see G still holding a low support. Gold rejecting. We're looking to see if we can hold this low as resistance right here. Yeah, GU and GJ rejecting. So again, we hit this level multiple times. We rejected. We hit TP once on TP1 once on GU. We're still on that level of support. But I like this gold setup here as well. It's pushing hard. Yeah, I like this up here. Yeah, GU is rejecting that. Again, y'all, that's why I always like just wait for your confirmations, because as you can see, it would have FOMO jumped in. It's not like we would have been missing anything. But GU is rejecting. GJ is rejecting as well. Again, we just got a lot of charts waiting for following the continuations of our trends, right? We talked about this in the Sunday chart analysis, but we can break it down right here as well. Like we look at NAS100, we had a lower low get made 2 weeks ago. We got a reversal, then we have price making the lower low again, then we have price rejected, right? We had this happen with a lot of the charts. We had this take place on GJ the past couple weeks as well. Right, we had a downtrend, reversal, lower low, reversal, trend change, uptrend, right? So that's what we got going on right now. So we got price struggling to try to make higher highs and break the highs from where we was at previously, right? Because the last time we was consolidating, we had a gap through this to make that new higher high. And you see after we made a higher high, we consolidated for like 3 weeks. And that's what it seems happening Now we're right back where we left off. We saw this with GU as well. Right, so literally all the charts are doing the same shit. Right? We can see this with GU as well. We had a downtrend, a reversal, and now we're looking to see if the uptrend is going to come back into place. So that's what we're looking for today. If we can maintain this support, we got to take this high out for a new higher high to get made. But again, a lot of these charts are just kind of struggling to continue trends that I think was previously in like 2 weeks ago. Right, we look at gold, we're going to see the same thing. Right, 2 weeks ago, the downtrend, we had a rejection, price failed to break past the double bottom. We had a reversal take place, and now we had price reject again. So we're either looking for this week the downtrend to come back into play, or the uptrend to come back into play. So we got a lot of charts that are on like just teeter tottering right now. All right, we just gotta wait to see what side of the coin price is going to land on with a lot of these charts right here. This is the wrong one. We got to put this one on NAS100. We already got gold up. But if y'all got any questions, drop in the chat. When we looking at any charts, drop in the chat. We're going to be on for a little bit longer. Put this back on the 15. But yeah, this next hour is going to definitely be interesting. Again, we need gold to look for sales. We need gold to close and maintain 40.76 as resistance. Then we can look for sales going down to 40.56. And with GU, if we can maintain 31.65 support, we can look for buys. And then GJ, we're just waiting for price to either retest and maintain 203.50 as support, or break above and hold 203.90 as support. What's going on? What's going on? I see you up in here. What's going on, Jumo? All right, new 15 and new hour just popped up. Let's see what we got going on. So GU's retapping that level. Gold's chilling right here. So we're going to be seeing if we can maintain this level as resistance. NAS is still kind of a reversal territory as well. And then GJ still in between our zones. Let's see what gold does right here. I like this right here. This is what G is looking like. This is what gold's looking like. NAS did reject this level. So NAS can push back below and hold 25,180 as resistance. We can look for sales going down to 25,100. So we do got some setups today. Again, like we talked on Sunday, chart analysis, it is Monday, and we're just an hour into London session, but there are still a bunch of possible setups we can see here on GJ, Gold, and NAS100, including GU. Yeah, GU's rejecting that level. We hit TP1 on that, then it just rejected. We're going to see how it does, and then we're going to see what it does going into New York session. Gold's kind of chilling here. And then we're going to see how GJ reacts to 203.50. Yeah, we just need volume. That's all we need right now. Again, as far as today, there is, if I'm not mistaken, no news. Yeah, so it's just Canadian news at 8:30. That's pretty much it. So we're going to see what the 80 and 9:30 volume does for us going into New York session. We're also going to see what price does going into now for between 4 and 6 a.m. Again, got a new video dropping for you later on today on YouTube, as well as I got some new posts lined up for y'all on Instagram and TikTok. So we're going to be seeing how gold reacts here. Again, we have closed underneath here, but again, you can see with a lot of these charts are kind of struggling to maintain these levels, just like we saw with GJ. Tapped this level multiple times, but rejected each time. And the same thing with GU. We hit TP1, retested. You can still see his wick and trying to hold his low as support. So again, we're just simply just waiting for volume right now. That's literally all we're waiting for is volume right now. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody's been live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody's been live since y'all joined. Again, make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. Y'all already know what to do, y'all. Enjoy the rest of y'all's day. We should be going live on TikTok later on. I'll send the link out like always in the free signal, free Telegram. Make sure to hit that first in the description to check that out. Also, make sure to watch the Sunday chart analysis because, like I always say, the Sunday chart analysis goes over not just what we see price doing Sunday going into Monday, but it goes over what we see throughout the entire week.